Yo, what's up, guys? We're back here, another episode on the channel. Doing a whole bunch of work. I'm about to show you here in a little bit what we got going on and what we're about to be doing. So, let's get right to it. So, we're trying to finish up the coolant system here. See, we got the radiator in. We got these sweet HPS silicone hoses. Had to do a couple modifications to get them on. And we got the heater hoses finished up here and ran. They weren't long enough, so I had to get some couplers and make it work. Well, this is what it's looking like. So right now we're got the fan ready to go in, and we're using I guess it's like a 05 to 14 fan. Factory fan. I made work. You can see I cut the ends off. We're going to be using the factory style Coyote coolant tank. There's the hose for it. We running this right now. Trying to give it like a factory stylish look. Coyote motor stuffed in there. Coolant hoses are looking pretty good. Systems looking pretty sweet. Give you a little front view look. So then we're gonna after that we got a whole bunch of wiring that I gotta try and figure out. I got some going on for the reverse lockout solenoid. We got the speed dial over there. And then it's crazy with the T56 transmission. Look at this shifter. Sits right in the perfect center of the factory spot. I didn't have to do no cutting, no nothing. With the Steeder track, short throw. Whole bunch of wiring I gotta figure out. So the T56 is full with transmission fluid. We put it in, and this is what I'm running in it. It's all full and ready to go. The merconV. And then last time we were working with the drive shaft. I got the drive shaft in. If you can see the drive shaft up in there. Drive shaft's up in there. Aluminum cobra drive shaft. Had to get some U-joints so I could run that pinion flange. So I can connect to the pinion flange. Started putting the O2 sensors in, but I gotta get the truck O2 sensor for the passenger side with the longer plug so it will reach the harness. I don't want to do any wiring there because a lot of people have problems. Driver side fits, but this is the O2 wiring harness that I have running down there, right here. So we'll get the longer plug and it will reach. The wires for the fan. And then I made these little brackets right here to hold the fan up. And then I'm gonna use these through the radiator zip ties to help steady the fan more. So we still got a long ways to go, but it's looking pretty. So there you have it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Pass it on. And keep on watching because we got plenty more to come. So stay tuned for them next episodes. Till then, peace out.